It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IMNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that today was a good solid move. Sure, the price did pull back during the final 30 minutes, but regardless, where it closed today relative to where it was, last week, good solid move on the bulls part. But that does bring up the question, but is there any sort of true power? Is there any sort of genuine strength behind this move, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that's why I love charts. Makes things very straightforward. And that level is down here at 17 cents. Why is 17 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movement with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward, not go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 17 cents. Any sort of closes below 17, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game, right? That's what truly strong moves do. They make progress over time. And that's, kind of what I'm measuring right there is 17 cents. If the price can stay above there, then that's showing that they're putting in a higher base, and higher bases is exactly what progress is. So keep a close eye on that 17 cent level going forward. Now for the fun stuff, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds? Initial area of resistance is just simply where the party stopped, or, seemed to stop a couple times today, and that's slightly just below 20 cents, so about 198. Or I should say 0.198 is going to be that initial area of resistance. If the price can push through there, then the next key one up at that point, which sits at 20.5 cents. So 0.198 and then 20.5 cents, next couple levels of resistance. But as far as I'm concerned, top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance. It's just going through a healthy consolidation, and I am defining healthy consolidation as staying up above 17 cents for the reasons we discussed. So we'll see what happens with it as this one unfolds this week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interested in and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.